Good day everyone. मेरी तरह जेंजी लोगों को लगता था that handwritten letters can be only given on birthdays or maybe another small event to our friends and family. But do you know how it actually feels when somebody writes a letter for you? Let me ask you all a simple question. When was the last time you took a pen, grabbed a piece of paper and wrote a letter? Not a text message or an email, but a real handwritten letter. I'm sure for many of us it's been a long time, right? Today, we live in a world where everything is fast. If I want to tell my friend something, I can just send a quick text or maybe a voice note and they can reply me in just a few seconds. It is easy, quick and convenient. But have you guys ever thought we might be missing something really very special? I have something to share. Previous year, it was my friend's eve और हम सब ने उसे बहुत तंग किया, बहुत सताया, so she got upset. अब सिंस उसकी ईव थी और उसे खराब नहीं करना था, I decided to do something. बहुत सोचने के बाद I came up with the idea to why not to write a letter. But still I was not sure कि उसे वो पसंद आएगा या नहीं, but तब भी मैंने लिख दिया. And guess what? वो मान गई. This is the beauty of a handwritten letter. जो बातें हम सामने सामने बात कहकर भी नहीं बता पाते, वो बातें हाथों से लिखे हुए खत बता देते हैं. And you know what? जब भी हम किसी चीज़ को लिखते हैं तो हमारा पेस स्लो डाउन होता है. We can think of what we actually want to express. And one more thing, writing personalized letter helps us to make our bond more stronger and we're able to put out our emotions. Imagine this. You are having a regular day and suddenly you find an envelope in the mailbox with your name written on it. Written in the handwriting of someone whom you know. Maybe from a friend of yours or from a family member. You can feel the effort they put into writing it and you can identify him or her by their handwriting and that doodle in the corner. Thinking of you the entire time. Doesn't that feel special? This is again the beauty of a handwritten letter. It's more than just words. It's words, time, effort, all on a piece of paper. Unlike text, letters can be stored in drawers and years later when you open them again, it feels like going back into the time. It brings back memories, moments you might have forgotten. Even soldiers wrote letters to their families from faraway places sharing their hopes and fears. But letters are not just for the history, they are for us too. Imagine writing a letter to your future self and when you open it years later, it feels like a message from the past you. Isn't that cool? But here the question comes, how can we bring this lovely habit back? It's actually very simple. Next time when you want to thank someone, so instead of sending just a text, start writing a small note. Even you can try writing a letter to maybe a friend of yours who lives very nearby to you. It will be a surprise for them. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि email करना या फिर messages करना छोड़ दो. Of course that's impossible. But sometimes writing a letter can be a more beautiful way to connect with someone. You can also write a letter to maybe a friend of yours who lives nearby to you. It will be a surprise for them and will actually make them happy. So now, in a world full of quick messages and emails, a letter says something more like, you are important to me. And it took the time to write this for you. So now, I challenge each one of you to just write one letter to maybe a friend of yours or a family member or even to your future self. You will definitely realize how special it feels. Thank you.